morning everyone, welcome to another day on the Camino de Santiago. We are here in Grãnón. What an incredible place this one was. I had very good experience in here. So let me just see where I'm going. I think I'm gonna have to go up this way. I'm just gonna check. So we are leaving Grãnón. The only thing I'm worried about is that I haven't got any lights. So you can see down there the lights of Grãnón. Don't really need a light at this point because you can actually see quite a lot. As long as you keep your eyes on the road, make sure you don't go in any holes. You don't really want to injure yourself. Now it's getting hotter. I'm going to be taking this jacket off shortly. It's a bit chilly during the night. I would like some breakfast, but I doubt there would be anything open at this time. So might just keep going. We'll see. I just enjoy going through these little villages. You never know what you're going to find. And we are going to the next town. The only thing I don't like about this part is that we're walking just close to the road. I would prefer to be in the fields. That's my favorite place to be. But for some reason, looks like this stretch is going to coast the motorway here. I like to hear peace at this time, not cars that are whizzing around. Look at this incredible sunrise. Wow. Another glorious morning here on the Camino de Santiago. This is the real life. And what I like a lot of this stretch is that every kilometer there's a town, so you get to see different things. It's not all like countryside. Castilla León. We're going the right way. How beautiful is this place? So I was just looking on my phone. I think we've got another 3 kilometers to go for Belorado. From there I've got a bus about 11 all the way to Burgos, and then from there I'm going to either catch the train or a bus all the way to Bilbao. I've got a flight tonight at 9 p.m, 9:40, something like that. So yeah, this is the last leg of part 2 of my Camino de Santiago. It's been an incredible journey. I really enjoyed it, especially the albergue in the church. That was incredible. There was a strong sense of community. That's what I really like of the Camino. I like to meet other people, speak to them about their experiences on the Camino de Santiago. That's the interesting part. That's what it's all about, really. I will be back on the Camino de Santiago possibly at the end of September. I will be tackling the infamous mesetas between Burgos and León. I don't think I will reach León, but I will at least go part of the way. We'll see. I probably got more days. Maybe I've got 5 days that I can play around with. So yeah, really looking forward to do that. I think there's a church here. I will probably visit that before I go. Let's put a stamp on my credential. There we go. Belorado. Very cool house. Right, I'm going to the bus stop now. I want to get there a bit early. I'm gonna end up like at Azcueta, running in a tunnel because I was on the wrong side of the road. This is it for part number 2 of the Camino de Santiago. I will be coming back in September to do more. Really looking forward. This journey has been totally incredible from the beginning till the end. Just to give you some numbers, I've done from Azcueta to Belorado 107 kilometers. That's quite a good accomplishment. In total, from Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port to here, so far I've done 225 kilometers. So yeah, it's been an incredible experience. Truly enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next part of the Camino in September. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Adios.